Have you ever signed something without reading it properly? Do you know that piece of paper could change your life forever? Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Law with JoyMark. Today we are going to be speaking on understanding contract. So what is a contract? A contract is simply an agreement between two or more persons that the law can enforce. It doesn't have to be too big, it doesn't have to be a complicated document. Even a simple agreement can be binding in law. But the mistake most people make is that they sign contract without understanding the terms of the contract or without understanding the consequences of signing a contract. For example, Nkechi was so excited to have gotten a new job. Without reading the details of the contract properly, she signs. A few months later, she discovered there was a clause in the contract that states her job could be terminated at any time without notice and compensation. Or is it Tolu who always pays her rent but never requests for a receipt from her landlord because she's familiar with him? A few years later, he claims he had not paid and she has no receipt or proof. There is Hassan who always brings big deals for Emeka, claiming there is huge profit in it. Emeka, without requesting for a written contract, agrees to it. Hassan couldn't keep his promises. Unfortunately, they are in court, but Emeka has no written contract or proof to back his claim. From these scenarios, the tips I have for you today are: always read before you sign. Yes, read carefully before you sign. If you do not understand the terms of a document, get a lawyer to interpret it for you before you sign such documents. And also learn to keep proofs, from receipts of payments to written agreements to signed documents. Always keep proofs. And the contract is very important. Not only rely on verbal agreement, ensure it is written down. Contracts are everywhere. They're in your rent, they're in your jobs, they're in your business deals. So do not just sign what you don't understand. That is how you can protect yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next week on Everyday Law with JoyMark. Bye bye.